In this video, how to sell Ethereum on Binance in 2022. Alright, so to do this, just log into your Binance account. After that, we're just gonna go up to this menu option, Wallet. Just hover over this wallet, go down and click on Fiat and Spot. Now you can just go down to Crypto Balance and search for ETH, or just search for the coin ETH. Alright, and you should see Ethereum right here. Alright, so now go to the right and click on this one, Trade. Now you have the option to trade between these pairs. So for me, I'm gonna trade this to Euro. So I'm just gonna find this one, ETH/Euro. But choose your own if you want to have a different one. So just go and click on the one you want to have. In my case, it's ETH/Euro. Just make sure that you have the correct one right here in the left corner, ETH/Euro. Alright, so just go down to spot. Now you have the options if you want to have a limit, if you want to sell at a specific limit, and how much you want to sell. Okay, and you also have stop limit if you want to use stop limit. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to use market. This will sell my Ethereum right away for Euro. So I'm just going to sell at market price. We're going to go and we can see available this amount. We're going to go to amount. We can just drag this if you like. If we want to sell 100%, or you can just choose total, how much you want to sell for. So let's say you want to sell for 100 euro, then you will see that this is 44% of my portfolio with Ethereum. But in my case, I'm just going to choose amount. I'm going to do 100%. And after that, we're just going to go and click on sell. Like that. Now you should go to this one and see trade history. And if everything went well, you should see the date, the pair, the side, so sell, the price, and how much you sold, and the fee. It's not that much, and the total, how much you get. So to find this euro, you just go to wallet, go to fiat and spot, and now you can see that you have the balance right here in euro. Okay everyone, so this is how you can sell Ethereum on Binance in 2022. Comment below if this worked out for you. Also, you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.